This location, Lost River Cave in Bowling Green, Kentucky, it's a natural wonder. You know, this is located in the heart of the city almost, and you would never know it's here until you stumbled upon it. It has rich history dating back hundreds of years. It's unique.
It's a give back and accumulation of just thanking our customers for this past year, for their loyalty, their business, and just a fun time, just to bring their families and enjoy the evening here at this beautiful Lost River Cave. Without the customers, there's no Bergquist. And we've been in family business now 60 plus years, and there's a reason why we've remained a family business for 60 plus years, and it's for the very people that are sitting behind me right now enjoying this evening.
The fact that we have such a strong relationship with our customers tells us that we're doing something right, that we're striking the right chord with our customers. They seem to appreciate us the way we appreciate them.
I love working with Bergquist because it's a one-on-one experience. They listen to what you need. They really try and meet your expectations, and it's just easy to work with. And they make sure you get what you want when you need it. What makes Bergquist special to me is the friend and family relationships that we build with the sales guys, with the warehouse guys, with the management. All of them alike. I would almost say they treat each other equal, and they treat their customers as equal as well. I consider them family, I really do.
They seem to care about what they're selling you, and they seem to have the right mentality and attitude and knowledge base to give you what you need the first time. When you call and ask them a question, sometimes they're rudimentary questions to them, but they know the answers very quickly, and they're very quick to act and give you the quality product that you need for it.
The relationship between Bergquist and our customers, to me, I mean, it's everything. You know, this is what we do for a living, day in, day out. If our customers are happy, if they're satisfied, if they're able to complete their job and do it well, so are we. That relationship is a keystone or the cornerstone to everything that we and our customers do.